How to turn off likes on Facebook profile picture. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. While you cannot completely disable likes on Facebook profile picture, but you can officially hide or limit who can react and comment. To do so, you need to adjust your privacy settings. Head over to your Facebook and go to your profile. Now tap on your profile and tap on See Profile Picture. Next, tap on the three dots from the top right corner and head over to Edit Privacy. Now from here, you can select on the options of Only Me. This way, no one else can like or comment on your profile. This way, whenever you update a new profile picture, also untick the option of Share on My Feed. Doing so, the profile picture will not be available on the feed or your feed as well. So this is how you can turn off likes on your profile picture. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.